Hello riders, welcome to Ride by Kaiser. My name is Sergio Velasco and I welcome you today to this special ride, Ride Rush. Today is 24th of December and at the Ride by Kaiser we want to share with you fun, engaging and really special rides so you can enjoy these days finding the perfect balance. Yeah, the perfect balance between work and fun. So what about if we begin this ride by warming up? Are you ready? Are you excited? Yeah? Okay, so please join me in the saddle. Let's get your handlebars, relax your shoulders, elbows, and let's find your RPM around 80 RPM. When you get that RPM in about 13 seconds, you're gonna keep the same RPM, you're gonna increase your resistance a bit, and you're gonna try to find a bit of tension on your legs. Just a tiny bit. Shall we? Let's go. Okay, so at the Ride by Kaiser, we've got 5 training zones to train with. From the level 1 to level 5. From very easy to very hard intensity. So don't worry, relax. Because throughout this workout, I will explain everything you need to know. There we go. Right now, the only thing you're gonna feel is both legs a tiny bit. Enough intensity to raise a bit your heart rate. Enough intensity to start feeling warmer. Yeah? You got it? Awesome. Keep it. Well, so as I said before, today, 24th of December, we are sharing this fun, short, and hopefully engaging workout. So today we're gonna do a 30-minute format that we call Ride Rush, a high interval intensity training. Tomorrow, 25th of December, my colleague Amanda will be sharing with you a ride race. A format that is really, really fun. Where your only goal is perform really well. But always having fun, Always having fun. And the day after tomorrow, my colleague Lindsay Burgess with a ride rhythm. If I were you, I wouldn't miss any of those rides. Trust me. So, how are you feeling? Are you feeling warmer? Yeah? Okay, so what about in about 30 seconds, you keep the same RPM, 80 RPM. You keep the same resistance, the same intensity, and we lift it up together. We go out of the saddle together. Really important when you come with me out of the saddle that you have some tension on your legs. Remember, safety always first. And if you don't feel like going out of the saddle, don't worry. Stay where you are. Remain seated. Shall we? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Hey, you know, when you stand up, make sure your core is really tight. Weight to the back, and please relax your shoulders and arms. There you go, well done. That's how we do it. Woo! Okay, so get ready because in about 18 seconds, we're gonna sit down and you will decrease your RPM to an RPM around 73 RPM, okay? So please, for now, just sit down and decrease your RPM. Don't do anything else. Take your saddle, bring down your RPM, and just analyze. Think about what is happening when you decrease your RPM if you keep the same gear, if you keep the same resistance. That it feels a bit lighter, right? Am I right? So, your goal right now is to be back in the same thing you had before. So keep the same RPM, 73 RPM, and please increase your resistance a bit so you can feel again your legs the same as before. You got it? Yeah? Awesome. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, riders, we're gonna increase your intensity for the first time and only time in this ride to the level 3. Level 3 is our moderate feeling. So basically, as you can guess, it's gonna feel a bit heavier than when you feel right now. But hey, not too much intense than this, okay? So just increase a bit your resistance and feel something more intense. Let's go. Oh! Hey, don't make it too hard, eh? Just try to find something moderate. There we go. Woo! Hey, in about 30 seconds, you're gonna keep the same RPM, and we will be back in that level 2, that easy intensity. So basically, you're gonna bring down the resistance you just increased a few seconds ago, okay? That's it. Simplicity always. Simplicity. Nice. Please, riders, right now, bring down that resistance. Whew. So, how you feeling? Are you feeling warmer? Remember, a warm-up is always really progressive, eh? We start from the bottom of your intensity and really slowly we build it up. When you do a warm-up, you never rush. Even this a rush, you never rush, eh? We gotta take things slow. You need to let your body warm up in a proper way. So, what about if we go to the next level? To the level 4, to the heart intensity. Try to go higher than before. 3, 2, 1. Basically, try to feel something more intense in your legs. On this intensity, you gotta push and pull up both pedals, huh? It becomes heavier, much heavier. Oh, if you want it, let's go out of the saddle. Ready? Come on. There you go. Well, you know, if you're not in the right intensity, don't worry, because this is still part of a warm-up. At the end of the day, the important thing here is that to move yourself, to increase your heart rate, to feel warmer. Whew. The good intensity, the important one, is the one that is coming up. Please take your saddle, bring down your RPM, and increase your RPM, please. Bring down your gear, your resistance, and increase your RPM to 85, 87 RPM. Whew. When you get that RPM, find the resistance that makes you feel in an easy intensity. Just feel both legs a bit. Alright? Remember, here at the right, we've got 5 training zones. We've done level 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, what is coming? It's going to be the level 5, the very hard intensity. And in this ride, we're going to do it 9 times, 3 sets. First one, 2 intervals of 45 seconds each. So the next ones, I will let you know later. Right now, we focus on the first set. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if you know your heart rate, 90 to 95% of your heart rate max. If you know your power, 120 to 130% of your FTP. If you're training with feelings, 45 seconds where you work really, really hard. Remain seated, crank it up. Hey, come on. We've done the warm-up, eh? The workout begins. 9 times, cranking it up. Woo! Oh, hey, you gotta feel both legs a lot. This is a very hard intensity. Come on. What a way to go! 13 seconds. Woo! In 8 seconds, you keep the same RPM and you back it off down to level 2. Please, back it off. Whew. Also, look at this. Whew. How did it go? Do you feel it? Do you feel the difference between level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? You should have, eh? The level 5 is the most intense intensity we've got. So remember, really short and very, very intense. In 22 seconds, if you can, you're gonna repeat the same thing you did before. If you believe that you were in that right intensity, we just need to repeat it. If you believe you can go even higher, go for it. Don't be afraid. This is the right, eh? This is a place we are not afraid. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! And you know, if you're training with heart rate or power, that's it. Yes, max intensity, I told you before. 90 to 95% of your heart rate max. Power, 120 to 130%. Come on. Oh! 15 seconds, come on. In about 10 seconds, we're gonna go down to 70 RPM and also down to the level 1. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Bring down your RPM. Whew. And please bring down your gear. We're going from very hard intensity to very easy intensity. So look at this. You just did the first set of this ride. 2 intervals of 45 seconds each interval. And as you can see right now at the bottom of your screen, the next set is going to be the same as before, but we're going to add 1 extra interval. So, before we go, I want you to think this. If you just did this set of 2 intervals, you're going to be able to do the next one. I'm just going to ask you to go 1 interval further. That's all I'm going to ask you. But you're going to be using the same intensities, the same resistance, trying to find the same feeling. All right? Are you ready? Whew. Well, I really love these rides. Short and really intense. And for sure, really, really effective. 70 RPM. Get ready. We're going to go to the same intensity as before. Same feeling as before. Very hard. Crank it up, and if you want to, come with me out of the saddle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Hey, come on! Push, push, push! Woo! Feel the pain. Oh! Hey, come on, keep it up with me. 15 more seconds. 10 seconds. And you back it off. Back to the level 2. Active recovery. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh. Well done, eh? Well done. Level 2. We kept the same RPM. Whew. In a few seconds, we're gonna go to 75 RPM. If you're gonna go, just go right now. Make sure you're still in easy intensity. And if you fancy, we're gonna remain seated this time. 45 seconds. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh, come on. Same as before, eh? Remember, repeat, repeat, and repeat. Can you hold it? Yeah, 20 seconds, come on. What a way to go. Oh, come on, stay. Few seconds. 4, 3, 2, back it off. Whew. Oh, well done, eh? Look at this. You just did the second set, 2 intervals out of 3. So, can you do it one more time? Let's do this. We do it one more time, and after that you've got 2 minutes on the level 1. Complete recovery. So, can you do it? Can I see your thumbs? Thumbs up? Yeah? 15 seconds. You can remain seated, or you can come with me out of the saddle. But either way, you know, eh? Crank it up. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Remember, every single one, it has to be very, very hard. "30 seconds, come on. Stay with me, stay with me. What a way to go. Come on, riders. 10 seconds. Oh, it's burning. 3, 2, 1. Take your saddle. Bring down your gear. Whew. Well done. Great job. Recovery. 2 minutes. Level 1. Very easy intensity. Great. Whew. Well, so look at this, eh? Time is flying. We've done almost 20 minutes already. So in about 11 minutes and 30 seconds, we're gonna be getting off the bike. So before we get off the bike, let's finish this on the high. Can we do it? Yeah? Next set, the third and last one. I'm gonna ask you the same as before. To do again 3 intervals, what you just did, to do it again. And then to add 1 more to this set. So 4 in total. Just so you know, we just did 5 intervals, and that's right. So I'm asking you to do 4 more. And as I like always to say, remember this. If you've done already 5, you just need to keep repeating and repeating and repeating. Because physically, you can do it. Now it's your job to tell to yourself that you can do it. And trust me, you can do it. Are you ready? In 22 seconds, we're gonna crank it up again. And remember, there is no need to go higher than before, eh? If you're in the right intensity zone, in the right feeling, we just need to repeat, repeat, and repeat. That's the key to get stronger in the fastest way. Ready? Guys, come on! Oh! "30 seconds! Whew! What a beat! Hey, come on, 15 seconds! Oh! Riders, awesome, eh? You did the first one out of 4. Please back it off. Back to the level 2 if you can. Active recovery. Whew. Oh, feel both legs a bit. Just a tiny bit. So, 35 seconds. And we do it again. Right now if you can, check the RPM. Remember, at the right bottom corner, you get all the info you need. The length of the segment, the color you should be at, the intensity zone you should be at, and the RPM suggested. So always check it out. Stay focused. Woo! So if you want it, stay seated, and we crank it up to the same as before. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Hey, come on, bring it above 90% of your heart rate max, and keep it below 95. That level 5. Power, come on. 120 to 130%. You got it? Yeah? Come on, stay. 20 seconds. Woo! 10 seconds and we're done. And now the recovery coming up. 3, 2, 1. Back it off. Level 2. Woo! It's crazy how sometimes time can fly, I always repeat myself about this, but I don't get it. Only 7 minutes and we are done. Oh! But you know, I always repeat myself about something else, that when the time flies, it's because you're having fun. So, let's do it. This time, if you fancy, let's lift it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Hey, come on, only 2 to go, and we are done. Less than 30 seconds. Ow! 15 seconds, come on. Hold it. Few seconds, and back down to level 2 once more. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Level 2. Easy feeling. Oh! Well. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the end. Welcome to the last one. Here at the Ride by Kaiser. Your first ride out of 3 is done. Remember, tomorrow, Amanda Lau with a ride race. 45 minutes of a really fun and engaging workout. And the day after tomorrow, Lindsay Burgess with a ride rhythm. So before that, we do it one more time and we lift it up. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! Oh! This is it, 35 seconds and we are done. Push! Oh! Come on, you got this. Remember, when you think you're gonna fail, when you believe you cannot keep it up, think about this. Tell to yourself this. I got this. Come on. 15 seconds. Oh! What a way to finish. Well done. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Woo! Great job. Oh, congratulations, guys. We did it. Please bring down your resistance to a very easy feeling and increase your RPM if you don't mind, so your recovery can be really effective. Quick cadence, low intensity will help you a lot to recover. Oh, Well done, eh? Great job. So, how was it? We're good? You're happy? Awesome. Well, so that was it, eh? This was a right rush. Our 30-minute interval workout. Short and pretty intense, eh? You know, not only rush, also race, rhythm, and serious. All our formats have a perfect balance between work and recovery. Because, you know, all our rides are science-based. So, you know, here at the Ride by Kaiser, what we try to do really hard, and we do our best, is in trying to take the science and mixing it up with fun. So the quality you get is a top notch. A perfect workout that will make you stronger in the safest, quickest, and hopefully the most fun way. That is our way, the Ride by Kaiser way. Whew. Oh, so how you feeling? How you feeling your heart rate getting lower? Take your time, please. Stay with me on the bike. Breathe in, breathe out. Awesome. What a great workout you did, eh? Seriously. This is enough, you don't need more for today. You just go to the shower, take a shower, rest well, and you know, enjoy. Enjoy what is coming up. It's a perfect time for that, to enjoy with your loved ones, Oh. Awesome. Well, so this was the kickoff of this holiday season. You know, tomorrow, 25th of December, my amazing colleague Amanda Lau will be giving a ride race. Ride race is a format where it's basically a race day, where we try to get out of our comfort zone to achieve things that you never thought you could achieve, but always making sure that you can do it, because all our workouts are 100% tailored and shaped to you. Everything based on intensity and feelings. So anyone can follow our workouts. And you know, on the 26th of December, my colleague Lindsay Burgess will be giving a ride rhythm, 45-minute format, following the beat of music, having fun, and that's it. Training, of course, yeah, always training, but hey, it's gonna be totally different. It's gonna be just like a 45 minutes where you're gonna forget everything around you, and you're just gonna enjoy with Lindsay, with great beats and super nice vibes. Well, riders, it was a pleasure to be with you today on the 24th of December. I wish you a pleasant holiday, and I hope I see you tomorrow with Amanda.